Hello friends, today's video is on the topic eagle. First point, eagle is a strongest bird. Eagle is a strongest bird. Second point, they fly high in the sky. They fly high in the sky. Third point, eagles have sharp eyesight. Eagles have sharp eyesight. Fourth point, it has a long and strong beak. It has a long and strong beak. Fifth point, it is dark brown in color. It is dark brown in color. Sixth point, eagle hunts animals such as snakes, fish, rabbits, and squirrels, etc. Eagles hunt animals such as snakes, fish, rabbits, and squirrels, etc. Seventh point, eagles makes its nest on tall trees. Eagles makes its nest on tall trees. Eighth point, it has more than 60 species. It has more than 60 species. Ninth point, the talons or claws on an eagle's toes are curved and razor sharp for catching and holding their prey. The talons or claws on an eagle's toes are curved and razor sharp for catching and holding their prey. 10th point, eagles are at the top of the food chain. Eagles are at the top of the food chain. Okay? Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe, share on my channel. Bye.